Master Affiliate Profits has emerged as a leading affiliate marketing platform in 2025, boasting an impressive enrollment of over 22,000 members in the first 4 months after its launch. This remarkable achievement underscores the program's effectiveness and popularity among affiliates seeking to generate income online. For the 22,000 affiliates who are part of this thriving community, a pertinent question arises: how many of these members are under their sponsorship? And what income have they generated thus far? More crucially, are they aware of the opportunity to amplify their earnings through a feature known as double dip income, made possible by integrating Shoppy Shop into their affiliate marketing strategy? Shoppy Shop is a virtual buyers club that offers substantial savings on everyday purchases, alongside a lucrative commission structure for affiliates who refer others to the platform. Because of Master Affiliate Profits' built-in autoresponder, MAP members can refer their enrolled MAP members seamlessly and on autopilot. It presents a unique opportunity for individuals to not only save money, but also earn significant commissions by promoting its array of features. One of the standout features of Shoppy Shop is its ability to offer savings on Amazon and other vendors' products at prices up to half off the listed price. When a customer makes a purchase through Shoppy Shop, the affiliate earns generous commissions. Additionally, the Shoppy Saver app, available on both iOS and Android, enables users to earn rebates on both online and offline purchases automatically. Furthermore, Shoppy Shop provides access to Teledoc medical services at remarkably low prices for individuals and families, with affiliates earning commissions each time their referrals utilize these services. Then there's the Shoppy Shop discount travel portal. Other companies charge $59 per month to access a similar discount travel portal. Shoppy Shop includes their discount travel site as an added bonus, without extra cost. The Shoppy Shop travel portal features 24/7 live customer service in 12 languages. Nothing says value more than approvable savings on travel and vacations. Affiliates benefit from a dual commission payment system: weekly commissions for immediate earnings and monthly commissions for sustained income, providing a balanced and reliable revenue stream. While Master Affiliate Profits offers a robust compensation plan with commissions on 2 levels of activity, Shoppy Shop takes it a step further by paying commissions on 4 levels. This multi-tiered structure allows affiliates to earn from a broader network, significantly enhancing their earning potential. Specifically, the Shoppy Shop compensation plan includes up to 40% commissions on select campaigns and lifetime referral commissions through its innovative Connect technology, ensuring affiliates continue to earn from their referrals purchases over time. Despite the extensive benefits and earning opportunities, joining Shoppy Shop is remarkably affordable. The full commissionable membership requires only a $50 annual fee and a $9.95 monthly subscription. The savings generated from using the platform's services can quickly offset this investment, making it an attractive proposition for both new and experienced affiliates. For affiliates of Master Affiliate Profits, Shoppy Shop offers a seamless integration process. By visiting shoppysuccess.com and pre-registering, affiliates can obtain a customized version of the Shoppy Success site, customized with their Shoppy Shop affiliate link. The Done-For-You Shoppy Success page gives you and your team a fast start advantage. Additionally, they receive importable email templates that can be easily integrated into their personal autoresponder within the MAP platform. This done-for-you setup simplifies the process of promoting Shoppy Shop to their existing network, allowing affiliates to focus on growing their Master Affiliate Profits business rather than managing technical details. It is essential for MAP affiliates to recognize the urgency of this opportunity. By taking prompt action, they can secure their existing team and prevent potential loss of income to other proactive affiliates that will attempt to poach their MAP team members in the future. The pre-launch phase of Shoppy Shop presents a unique window to establish a strong foundation and maximize earnings before the platform's official launch. To capitalize on this exceptional opportunity, affiliates are encouraged to visit shoppysuccess.com, discover the double dip income potential, and pre-register for the done-for-you setup. By doing so, they can ensure their team remains intact and begins generating the income they deserve. The call to action is clear: subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, like the video, and most importantly, take immediate steps to secure their position in this promising venture. Go to shoppysuccess.com, claim your pre-launch position, and put you and your map team in a position to prosper.